Let me ask you a question. Who do you think really won at Chanukah? Yes, we found a small vial of oil that lasted for 8 days, but that was found by a small ragtag group of a few faithful Jews who stayed committed to Judaism and rededicated the temple. But the rest of Israel was conquered by the Syrio-Greek invading army, and the cultural influence on Israel lasted for hundreds of years afterwards. So to this day, are we more Greek? Are we more Jewish? Are we more Western and influenced by those philosophies, or fundamentalistic to our faith and rejecting anything from outside? Which are we more? Find out and discuss this with me this Monday night at LSJS.